Today, I have the pleasure of speaking with Kerem Usenmez from Volta Metals, and you've just put out significant results that is going to expand your resource by 10 times. How about we start there?
Absolutely. No, thanks for having me. It's very exciting. It exceeded our expectations, to be honest. You know, what's exciting also is that it's still open and we are drilling, we're hitting more. So I think it's going to get even bigger, but we're already in the top 10 and getting better and better every day.
So, for those of you out there going top 10, what does that mean? Basically, if I understand properly, is this place Springer Project in the top 10 rare earth deposits in North America? Is that correct?
That is correct. Yes. That it got into a new scale. It really is incredible. 170, almost 7 million tons of rare earth mineralization with surface, on surface. It's very, very exciting.
It is exciting. I mean, if I understand you properly as well from our investor talk, this ranks you at number 7, and one of the most compelling advantages for the Springer project is that your infrastructure is second to none.
Absolutely. 50 minutes away from Sudbury through Trans-Canada Highway. We're just outside of Sturgeon Falls, have 2 hydropower dams literally just outside of our claims, and one of them is powered by First Nations. So this project will be powered not only with staff, but literally the power, because the power lines go through the property. And we have all the supplies we need within 6 to 8 kilometers, including Trans-Canada Highway and railway station.
So let's break down your rare earth drilling results a little bit. Talk to us about some of the surprises and results that you were most excited about.
Yeah, so our initial drilling came back with, well, we first drilled twice as much as we anticipated for planned for because we were still in mineralization. It kept going, etc. So having holes, not once, more than once, from top to bottom mineralized, and at the end still high grade mineralization, that's really what else can you hope for? So that helped, and that showed us the shape is changing, it's getting bigger, and it is still open. That's why we are drilling right now. But the intercepts we have are exceptional, like rare earth mineralization, very high grade. In some cases, the premium magnets that you want, minerals, but also the gallium. Gallium angle is an add-on. So very, very good results. So we're hoping to get more and more of those in the coming weeks.
And I want to get to the gallium because that is an exceptional factor in the Volta Metal story. But you've got the core 4 in the rare earths. You've got the, praseodymium, neodymium, dysprosium, and terbium. Can you explain how unique it is to actually have the core 4?
Absolutely. So this mineral resource is based on those 4, big 4 I call them, big 4 being the only ones that are payable. We have other, light and heavies, but yes, those are the ones that Western world needs the most for our modern world, for technology, for AI, as well as defense applications, which we don't have. So we need to find more of those to support the critical supply chain that is domestic in North America. So having those 4, too light, too heavy, that are most valuable in this one project is incredible to me.
Well, not only is it incredible, but now let's talk about gallium. Gallium, of course, there's exports restrictions from the Chinese on gallium. Gallium is one of the most exciting critical minerals that people talk about in the industry, and you have that as well. Can you give us an update?
Absolutely. Yeah. China controls 98% of the processing of gallium. You can't take it out of China. US has zero production of gallium, but gallium goes not only everywhere, rare earths go as well, but AI, so the semiconductors. As we all know how important it is to have the control for this critical supply chain. AI gallium nitrate chips, the semiconductors, are way more efficient and faster than silicon chips alone. So that is making it very strategic. The price of gallium, obviously, is through the roof, and I think it's going to remain there for a long time. Obviously, it's a smaller market, so having that kind of grades, that kind of thicknesses that we have, that Springer has, is definitely going to give a strong advantage to this project. And having it from surface down to the depths we're looking at for the rare earth, it seems to correlate where the high grade those big four are, along with the gallium. So gallium is going to add probably, our estimation is between 25 to 35% value to this project alone.
Well, you must be absolutely thrilled with these results, and the shareholders must be also thrilled. You will be at PDAC this upcoming week.
Yes, I'm looking forward to that. I'm looking forward to seeing you, our shareholders, existing and potential new ones. I think this is one of the good stories for this year's PDAC, I'm hoping. So yeah, it's a very exciting time. I'm going to have core, the high grade core from Springer, as well as our technical team going to be on site. So I would like to see everyone that is interested to come and visit us. Our booth number is 2728.
So everybody that's out at PDAC, make sure you go by booth 2728. And for more information on Volta Metals, please go to the following website. Thank you.